Hello, today we're making egg tarts with a silky smooth filling and a buttery flaky crust. We'll start by making a puff pastry, which requires two doughs. The first is an oil dough. You need flour, a little bit of sugar, and instead of oil we'll use butter. Use your hands to work the butter until you get a coarse dough with visible butter pieces. Form into a rectangle, wrap it, and chill it in the fridge for 30 minutes. For the second dough, the water dough, we'll need flour, a little bit of sugar, and just a pinch of salt. Mix that together. Make a well in the center and then add an egg. Mix that in. Then we'll add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water, maybe more if needed, until the dough comes together. We'll wrap this dough in plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for 30 minutes as well. In the meantime, we'll make a simple syrup for the filling with sugar, salt, and hot water. Stir until the sugar has dissolved and then let it cool completely. Then whisk together 5 egg yolks. Add that cold simple syrup, evaporated milk, and vanilla. Whisk that really well and then strain it and set it aside. Back to our dough. We'll start with dough B, the water dough. We'll roll that out until it's 2 to 3 times larger than our dough A or our oil dough. Place the oil dough in the center and then fold like a letter. And then we'll roll this out. And then we'll fold it up and roll it out again and repeat 3 to 4 times to create those layers. And finally, we'll roll it out into a large rectangle and use a biscuit cutter to cut circles. Press those circles into a cupcake pan and then fill with the filling. Bake at 400 degrees for 10 minutes and then lower the temperature to 350 for another 20 minutes. Remove from pan, let it cool, and enjoy. For this full recipe and more, visit crumbs.com.